How are fasting practices observed in Hinduism, and what are their intended health benefits? A lacto-vegetarian diet, commonly practiced by many Hindus due to religious, ethical, and cultural beliefs, includes plant-based foods along with dairy products but excludes meat, poultry, fish, and eggs. This dietary pattern, influenced by principles such as ahimsa, non-violence, offers numerous health benefits, contributing to overall well-being. Nutritional balance. A well-planned lacto-vegetarian diet provides a rich array of essential nutrients. It is high in dietary fiber, vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients from a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. The inclusion of dairy products ensures an adequate intake of calcium and vitamin D, essential for bone health. While care must be taken to consume a variety of foods to meet all nutritional needs, a lacto-vegetarian diet can support a balanced and healthy diet. Heart health. Numerous studies have shown that vegetarian diets, including lacto-vegetarian diets, are associated with a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. The high intake of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains contributes to reduced blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels. These diets tend to be lower in saturated fats and cholesterol, found in animal products, which are risk factors for heart disease. Weight management. Lacto-vegetarian diets can also support weight management. The high fiber content of a plant-based diet helps in feeling full for longer periods, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, plant-based foods generally have lower energy density, which means they provide fewer calories than the same volume of animal-based foods, aiding in weight loss or maintenance. Reduced risk of chronic diseases. Following a lacto-vegetarian diet may reduce the risk of developing several chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, certain types of cancer, such as colon and breast cancer, and metabolic syndrome. The antioxidants and phytochemicals found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation, key factors in preventing chronic diseases. Digestive health. The high dietary fiber content in a lacto-vegetarian diet supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Fiber also plays a role in maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for digestion, immune function, and even mental health. Environmental and ethical benefits. While not directly a health benefit, the ethical and environmental considerations of a lacto-vegetarian diet align with the Hindu principle of ahimsa. Reducing the consumption of meat contributes to lower environmental impact and supports animal welfare, reflecting a commitment to non-violence and compassion towards all beings. In summary, a lacto-vegetarian diet offers a multitude of health benefits, including nutritional balance, heart health, weight management, reduced risk of chronic diseases, and digestive health. When carefully planned, this diet can provide all the necessary nutrients for a healthy and balanced lifestyle. Additionally, the ethical and environmental advantages align with the moral and spiritual values of many practicing Hindus, making it a holistic approach to health and well-being.